Hello. L-Dog. Would you mind sprucing up that pitch deck I just sent you? I gotta send it off to the client like ASAP.
Yep, no problem.
Great.
Actually, I don't have the presentation software downloaded yet. Is there somewhere I can download it through the company?
You know, it's probably in an email that IT sent me. I'm sure we can figure something out.
Well, Sid's in IT. We could just ask him when he gets back from lunch.
That's gonna be like 15 minutes. Just go online, we can find a free version.
Doesn't sound like a great idea.
Jeez, come on, let me drive here. Let's see here. The presentation, software. There we go, look, free. Always the perfect price.
This looks super sketchy.
Oh, come on. Look, boom. It's installing right now.
Okay, wait. No. Dave?
Okay, so we're all set.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna download the right link from IT.
Suit yourself.
All right.